I think it's time to blow some more minds, because I haven't heard anything. I've got so much paper to go through. Like, I got so much paper. So my friend Michelle sent me a copy of this because she's a good girl. Anyway, on YouTube, we get the FYI messages, right? FYI, which is from your higher self. And these are all the other ones we get. And look at what we're getting now. Ong. And it means ongoing. If you put ong in your predictive text, look at that. So Songbird talks about the sea bug for 2023. So if you go along with the scenario, with the propaganda, with the script, this is what you're going to expect. But I already know it's the only way to go is to follow this. It even says that. Now if we do the up and down here, it says poo, poor, and I can't, I'm so tired. Now what you'll also notice, my postal address is care of 14 Miller Street. Well, Miller rhymes with killer, right? And if you add up all these postage things, oh, my phone is so hot, which means I'm getting radiated right now. Oh, also, if you do word games on this, distilled water. The word game you're left with is raw. 3 tissues cell salts. You do the word game, you get sass and salute. How cool is that? You write iodine, you get I no die. I know all the stuff we need to get us away from the chemtrails, and you need to watch Eyes Wide Shut, you need to watch Bird Box, and you need to watch Songbird, and especially The Matrix. And I'll just remind you all about this, that a trial shouldn't have most of the population vaccinated. It's ridiculous. It's like, who do you think we are? We're not friggin' little kids. We have brains, or some of us do.